Hello students, welcome to this session of Environment and Ecology. I am Rajvardhan Bordekar, your faculty for Environment and Ecology. So today we'll be starting with previous year questions related to environment and ecology. And today we will focus upon the questions asked from ecology section of environment and ecology. With reference to Indian elephants, consider the following statements. So this question is from 2020 and this was quite unique question that has been asked. So there are 4 statements related to Indian elephants. Let us consider them. First, the leader of an elephant group is female. So often the elephant groups are matriarch. That means they are led by female, and hence first statement is correct statement. Second, the maximum gestation period can be 22 months. So this statement is also correct because maximum gestation period of the Indian elephants is 22 months. Third statement, an elephant can normally go on calving till the age of 40 years only. So this statement is incorrect because in normal conditions, maximum calving age is 4 years, and in adverse conditions, it can increase up to 8 years. So this statement is incorrect with respect to Indian elephants. Fourth statement, among the states in India, the highest elephant population is in Kerala. So this statement is again incorrect statement because it is Karnataka which have highest number of Indian elephants, and hence fourth statement is also incorrect, and thus answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Right? Next question now. With reference to India's biodiversity, Ceylon frogmouth, coppersmith barbet, grey-chinned minivet and white-throated redstarts are the species of A. birds, B. primates, C. reptiles and D. amphibians. So this was quite unique question that was asked because generally UPSC do not ask or do not give the species, and we are not supposed to find out, means that this kind of questions are not asked, but that's why it is very typical question asked in 2020's prelims. So these are the bird species in India, and hence answer is A. Now question from 2020. Which one of the following protected areas is well known for conservation of subspecies of Indian swamp deer called as Barasinga that thrives well in hard ground and is exclusively graminivorous? Right, so we are supposed to find out that protected area which is important for the conservation of subspecies of Indian swamp deer, and that particular protected area is Kanha National Park, because Manas is not associated with the swamp deer, Indian swamp deer, or it is not very important species in Manas. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary is out of question. Tal Chapar Wildlife Sanctuary, which is there in the state of Rajasthan, is important for black bucks. Right? So again, you can eliminate these two, and hence answer of this question is A. Kanha National Park is the location where we are trying to conserve Indian swamp deer Barasinga. Next question now. Which of the following are the most likely places to find musk deer in its natural habitat? So these are the options, or these are the statements, and we are supposed to find out where we'll be able to find musk deer in its natural habitat, right? So see, musk deer is found in the Himalayan locations, and Manas national park is not exactly Himalayan because it lies at the foothills of Himalaya, you can say, in the state of Assam. Similarly, Kishanpur Wildlife Sanctuary is in UP, and hence you should be able to eliminate that as well. And that's why it is Ashkot Wildlife Sanctuary and Gangotri National Park, which are the locations which are used or which are the natural habitats of musk deer. Fine. So answer of this question is Ashkot Wildlife Sanctuary and Gangotri National Park. Hence, answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Next question. Among the following tiger reserves, which one has the largest area under critical tiger habitat? So, critical tiger habitat of a tiger reserve is also known as core zone. Fine. So, any tiger reserve will be classified into or will be bifurcated into two areas or two zones, core zone and buffer zone. It is core zone which will have the highest protection to the tigers because no human activity will be allowed in the core zone, and that's why those areas are inviolate areas. Buffer zone are acting as a shock absorber for the core zone, right? So the largest critical tiger habitat is associated with Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam because this is the tiger reserve with largest area. As its area is largest, its critical tiger habitat, that means core zone, is also larger. And that's why answer is C. Next question. With reference to India's desert national park, which of the following statements are correct? So the question is related to desert national park in the state of Rajasthan. So it is spread over two districts. Yes, it is spread over two districts of Jaisalmer and Barmer. There is no human habitation inside the park. See, this statement is quite deceiving because generally we know that national parks are the locations where no human activity will be permitted. But the question is habitation, it is not about activity. So, this desert national park, yes, it consists of certain human habitation, and that's why this particular statement is incorrect statement. Third statement, it is one of the natural habitats of great Indian bustard. Yes, Desert National Park is considered as a protected area for great Indian bustard, and hence it is 1 and 3 that should be your answer mentioned in option C. Right? So you must have noticed that from 2020 there were many questions from protected areas. One more question from 2020. Which of the following protected areas are located in Kaveri Basin? First, Nagarhole National Park. Papikonda National Park, which is there in the Andhra Pradesh, is not correct. Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. So you should eliminate this particular second statement. So you are left with 1, 3, 4 and 3, 4. So Nagarhole National Park, yes, it is in the Kaveri Basin, and that's why answer is C, 1, 3 and 4.